Okay, thank you.
Guys, today Emily's driving us to Saigon. Thank you very much, but there's an issue. It's literally at the letter E. It's literally no gas.
It's blessed.
You should tell them to figure out Emily. What's it say?
It says,
She thought we were going skating.
you started in your own light, make it shine. Oh, it is shining.
You have so much to be thankful for.
Aw, that's weird.
Your hidden creative talents
Yappa,
will
yappa,
soon
yappa,
be
yappa.
revealed.
That means it's telling you your hidden talents yapping. Your hard work will soon pay off.
People appreciate your leadership qualities.
Yeah! It's snowing really bad, and we literally just got sprayed. We got sprayed by the guy that was going so fast, and he sprayed us with all slush.
People even saw and they're like, oh my god, that was bad.
But look at my pants.
My socks are
Oh my god, her socks are wet.
There's snow in my shoes.
Oh my god.
What am I doing here?
Let's go.
It's gonna be so expensive.
Let's see how heavy it is.
It's heavy.
Oh, it's heavy.
So Tanya, let's
Get
share
done.
one, and she didn't register it. So she filled up another one.
Oh
I
my.
was like confused. Like, what do you mean? What's heavy?
It cost us $7.86 for both of us.
Yeah.
For both of them?
Yeah, same.
But this one feels heavier.
Which one feels heavier?
This is like the volleyball net for you guys because you guys are short as fuck.
What the? Where are these personal attacks right now? He's so mean when she. Last time when she got intoxicated, she was kicking Kevin. now she's mentally hurting.
Tanya.
Pringles?
Tanya.
Angel?
Yeah.
Angel?
Yeah.
Nice.
Star.
Pizza.
Bike wheel.
Wheel.
Unicycle.
Unicycle.
Yeah.
Burger.
Dentist.
Teeth. Mouth.
Braces.
Gums. Tongue.
What?
Oral cavity.
Hair.
Why did you have What?
Coughing.
What?
How is coughing?
What? Bruh. Is that?
That is not. That is.
I wasn't thinking. I was like, oh my god, this looks good. This looks good. This looks good. And it got filled up all the way to here. So I wasn't thinking. My stomach was thinking, not my brain.
Yeah, is that your choice in men too?
Excuse me? River. Honestly, by the end of the night, fucking fish are gonna get. Oh my god, I feel it. Fish are gonna be in my socks.
smell.
I'm not even joking. Like I can see the world like in my socks. What's going on? I see it.